How to post a BeReal. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to post a BeReal. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So you may know that BeReal only lets you post one post every day. So if you want to post your first post for today, what you need to do is open up the BeReal app. It will then send you a notification which you need to click on to take your first BeReal. So I've just tapped on that notification, and as you can see, it's got a countdown of 2 minutes at the top there, so it only gives you 2 minutes to take your BeReal. But don't feel too much pressure, because if you take one that you don't like, you can cancel it and not post it, and then you can start again from your 2 minutes. Or if you change your mind of doing one now, again, you don't need to do it now, you can come back a bit later and post again, and you'll get given an extra 2 minutes. So here you need to take a photo, so just keep in mind that it's going to take a photo from your front camera and also your rear camera. So you must have 2 cameras on your phone, and then just tap on the button in the middle to take a photo. So as it says, don't move and keep smiling. And as you can see, it's just then taking a photo from my front camera and from my back camera. So next I need to hit the send button, so I'm just going to tap on that. And then on the next screen, you get to choose whether you just send it to your friends only or you share it with everyone around the world who has BeReal. Other options, you can share my position or you can save my BeReal on this device. Then when you're happy with the options you've chosen, you just hit the send button at the bottom right hand corner, and then that's going to send it based on the options you've just chosen. I'm not going to do this because I'm going to choose to do another BeReal a bit later on, so I don't want to waste my BeReal for today. So I'm just going to hit the back key, and then up here I'm going to hit the close key. So now if I wanted to, I could take another one now, or I can do it a bit later if I wanted to come back. And that's all it takes to post a BeReal. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.